took out the 230 lows, but guess what? GU did not take out the 230 lows, right? So that was my smart money timing. Yo, what's good? It's your bro Lo, and I'm bringing you guys another saucy trading video. Anyways, y'all, what's good, y'all? I hope you guys had a good ass trading day, a very safe trading day. Not much high impact news today, so I bet everybody was generally safe. Hopefully everybody has practiced good trading practices. You know what I'm saying? So but basically, let me show y'all this shit real. You know what I'm saying? Account summary, $626 on the 300K account, right? So we ate up the loss that we had yesterday and made a little bit more, basically almost 1%, not 1%, almost a 1/4%, right? So I'm only risking a quarter on this account. Not too much, like I said, man. Good trading practices. And today my trading psychology was like actually pretty good. Like I was calm, collected, you feel me, listening to music, just chilling. Didn't even care about the outcome as much. You feel me? And that's where I want to be back at, not really giving a fuck about the outcome of the trade. You feel me? And just letting the process work out. You feel me? And I'm grateful that I did that back testing session again. I did all that just to remind myself, you feel me, type shit. But yeah, let's go ahead and get right into the analysis. And you already know we start off with our friendly neighborhood dollar. You know what I'm saying? Boom, right on the daily chart. We can see that dollar has been bullish, running towards previous daily, my draw at first was the previous daily high, right? I think that was the more high probable buy. But you know, all week we've been expanding since Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday did make a low from running down here, and then that previous daily high, right? But we had that 8:30 news today, which was the whatever this high impact initial jobless claims, right? So it was initial jobless claims, boom. I was aiming for that high, right? You can see how, so basically since I'm aiming for that high, I wanted to sell euro. I wanted to sell euro and sell GU, right? So, but once we got into that high around 8:30, EU had also ran out the previous daily low and this low. And then we had this high intact, which was at 4:30, right? So that 2:30 to 4:30 timed range, right? You have that high there. So since we're already at a discount on euro, right? We already ran out the previous daily low, and usually Thursdays cap off the week. I didn't know how far this weekly candle really was gonna go. I was thinking maybe it could go down there, but it already completed most of its range, right? So with that being said, I was anticipating euro to be a little bit bullish, right? It should be a little bit bullish. So when I checked GU after it ran out that low, after it ran out this low, all I'm thinking is how far can it really expand inside of this FEG? Most likely this daily candle might pull back just a little bit, right? And it may not be as weak as it might be, right? So when I saw that, I went to GU, right? I went to GU and notice how GU ran out the previous monthly low, right? And EU didn't yet, right? And then when you look on the daily chart, the daily candle did not take out the previous daily low, right? So you see that previous daily low there, but EU did at 8:30, right? And dollar took out the previous daily high at 8:30, right? And then you can see how you have down close candles all in here, and then midnight open price. And I'm gonna show you guys the execution that I took.
It's Kelpie Vibes.
Yeah. Baby, you know that I'm in a choco. Baby, you know that I'm in a choco. Baby, you know that I'm in a choco. Angelina, you the cool in my temperature. If you call, I go come deliver. I no go fall in your hand never. So now me you could love forever. I'm a cocky no feeble letter. I'm a Angelina, with my Angelina. Oh me all down. Anytime when I see you for the club or the television, your body. Sure you know say the thing when you carry 50 kill somebody. You know I feel a vibe, you feel a vibe, so baby whine about me. Yeah, And I know you shy, but it's cool when we're making love. On the low, 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 on the low. Angelina, you the cool in my temperature. If you call, I go come deliver. I no go fall in your hand never. So now me you could love forever. I'm a cocky no feeble letter. I'm a Angelina. I'm a Angelina. Oh no. So when I want to come out, make a signal you. Why you want to question on me like I interview? I'm tryna put the ring on your finger too. And be a better guy, be a better guy. On the low, 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 on the low. Angelina, you the cool in my temperature. If you call, I go come deliver. I no go fall in your hand never. So now me you could love forever. I'm a cocky no feeble letter. I'm a Angelina. I'm a Angelina. Jesus.
Big Smosa.
On the low, on the low, on the low. You know what I'm saying? Type shit, you know what I'm saying? But yes, I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of trade recap, a trade post recap type shit. Boom. So this trade was a little high resistant. It didn't go like I thought it would. And I mean, I wasn't really expecting it to go as much because I'm still dealing with the daily draw being lower and daily pressure. Like it's a selling train, right? You know, I'm calling the reversal, so I have to be weary on like when I should TP and when I should get out, and that's why I TP'd a little bit early and didn't have to run this high. A good thing I got out, because then I'll probably be holding through a little bit of drawdown before it even gets up to that high or even come back and hit me out at break even. I wanted to at least clean up the loss that I took yesterday. You feel me? So the way I knew that it was more high resistant is when price had to come all the way down here and fill in every FEG. It did not leave no FEGs inside of this price range. Decided even in this run it had to pull back and look like time distortion a bit, but I had to pull back and use midnight open price again. So when you guys seen how price was coming down, I had marked out midnight open price and it smacked that right there, and then started going up. Right, it even helped the bodies of this daily fair value gap, which is right here. Right, so I was thinking maybe price could run up into there today, or at least consequent encroachment of this wick, or at least 50% of the previous daily range, which is right here. But you know, I'm not asking for too much. I just wanted to take it out. You know what I'm saying? But it did deliver pretty well after 10 o'clock. Once 10 o'clock came in, it started running, got above the previous 4-hour high, and then held this FEG, which was in here. Right, that FEG there, and then we ran up. I thought we was gonna run through there and smack through there and maybe go a little bit higher. Even got a scale in right at the breaker, you know what I'm saying? But it didn't want to give it to me, you know what I mean? And then I thought it was gonna be a huge day, but you know, that high resistance liquidity run was telling me like, okay, I need to just get out a little early, and you can see that it worked out in my favor, me getting out. Plus it was 12:15, you know what I'm saying? Like that's it's most likely gonna be dead. Pound is usually gonna be dead, but the rest of the day could still move higher, and the daily candle could still close more bullish than this, because during my back testing I kind of noticed that it can still go up during the PM session, GU and EU. It can still go up, and I can still make more and get more out of this, but I just wanted to take that, like I said. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this breakdown. If you did, go on and smash that like button. Before I forget, my fault. If you guys wanted to see a little bit of the SMT, smart money time, you know what I'm saying, when price is supposed to move, right? You can see that previous daily low here. but EU took it out here. It also took out the 230 lows, right? EU also took out the 230 lows, but guess what? GU did not take out the 230 lows, right? So that was my smart money timing, you know what I'm saying, that made me more confident in that move. I got in right at 830 on that 830 news, expecting it not to run the previous daily low, expecting it maybe to possibly not run 230 because, you know what I mean, type shit. And just me getting in at midnight open price was you know what I'm saying, a deal for me. At or below midnight open price is a good fill for me. Boom, it can do whatever it wants to do after that. You know what I mean? But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, go and smash the like button, share the video, comment, give me your feedback, whatever, man. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. I'm out.